Hi, and welcome to HardReset.Info, dear viewers. In front of me Logitech M325s. This mouse was designed for left and right-handed people, and now I can show you how to switch between right or left-handed modes. So basically, to switch between the modes, you should download Logitech Option application. So just open Logitech.com website, software, then scroll bit down. Click down, discover and download. Scroll bit down. Here find version for your operation system. For macOS, if you have a MacBook or iMac, or for Windows if you have normal Windows device. Then download. Logi Option app will be downloaded. Install it, and after installation process, you will have Logi Options in your start menu. Open Logi Option application. Click on your mouse. Click Settings here on the left panel, and here you will have General, Swap left and right buttons. And now, for example, when it's swapped, using the right button, I will make a normal left click. For example, I can open U tab using the right button, but for example, clicking the left button, I can open options, right? Okay, so it's for left-handed people, and we can disable it too. So that's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to leave a like and a comment below. See you.